Hey there, fellow gardeners! Are you ready to unlock the secret to healthier plants and a more sustainable garden? Today we're diving into the world of garden composting and soil health. Trust me, your garden will thank you. And stick around until the end because I've got 2 bonus tips you won't want to miss. But first, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, share this video with your garden-loving friends, and drop a comment below if you've ever tried composting. Let's get growing. Start by picking the right spot. A compost bin or pile should be in a shady, well-drained area that's easy to access. Bonus points if it's near your garden beds for convenience. Think of compost as a recipe. You need greens like fruit scraps, veggie peels, and coffee grounds, and browns like dried leaves, cardboard, and straw. Aim for a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts brown to 1 part green. Start with a layer of browns, then add greens and repeat. Always top it off with browns to keep things tidy and odor-free. Remember, smaller pieces break down faster, so chop them up if you can. Your compost pile needs to stay moist, like a damp sponge. Give it a turn every week or 2 to mix in air and speed up decomposition. In about 2 to 6 months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost ready to enrich your soil. Spread it around your plants and watch them thrive. And as promised, here are your bonus tips for composting success. Speed it up. Add a handful of garden soil to your pile. It's full of microbes that kickstart decomposition. Compost tea. Mix finished compost with water. Let it steep for 24 hours, and use it as a liquid fertilizer. It's like giving your plants a superfood smoothie. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're inspired to start your own composting journey. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your questions or your own composting tips. Subscribe for more gardening goodness, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!